Hello everyone, welcome to Nature's Child Family. I am Soundarya, physiotherapist, prenatal and postnatal fitness educator and yoga instructor. Many of you have said me, ma'am, we are getting more benefit out of your videos, but we couldn't understand the languages. Considering that in my mind, I plan to put video in two languages, Tamil and English. Hope that will make you to understand better. Today we are going to see about sinusitis, its causes and what are all the treatment techniques available to get rid of sinusitis. To know about that, stay in this video till end. Let's get into the video. Sinuses are air-filled cavity which helps to prevent and protect our face from getting injury. It is primarily act as a mucous membrane which will provide some mucus substances. When these sinuses are irritated, inflamed or infected by any foreign particle, this air-filled cavity will filled with the mucus substance leads to sinusitis. This may occur due to a number of causes. Some may get sinusitis due to chronic cold. Some may get sinusitis when they have any bacterial infection. Some may get sinusitis due to poor weather. Some may get sinusitis when they are allergic to some materials such as pollen grains, pet's hair, fragrance materials, perfumes, etc. Some may get sinusitis when they took head bath. Some may get sinusitis due to nasal polyps and improper growth of the nasal bone. And some may get sinusitis due to unknown causes. The causes may be unknown. Let's see what are all the tips and treatment techniques available to get rid of sinusitis. In this video, I am going to discuss 4 powerful techniques which helps to get rid of sinusitis instantly. Rest of the techniques we will see as a series. Take any finger that you are comfortable with and place at the side of your nasal bone. I took my index finger and try to pull the fluids of your nasal cavity just towards down. Do it gently. Using vaporizer will give a better result. Do this technique for 10 to 15 counts. But do this training technique, effleurage technique alone for 3 counts because the fluids that you are draining will get into your throat and will make your throat sore. So please make a note on it and do it for just 3 counts. Second technique is for your cheekbone. The fluid that accumulated in cheekbone can be drained by this technique. And place your thumb finger over your cheeks and pull your cheek outward. Even you couldn't breathe freely, just imagine that you could breathe free and do this technique. It will give a better result. Here to do the training technique for 3 counts and treatment technique for 10 to 15 counts. The third technique is to drain the fluid in sinus that near your eyes. Just gently pull the fluid and pull it towards your side of the eyebrows. Here to do the treatment technique for 10 to 15 counts and do the drainage technique, effleurage technique alone for 3 counts. Please be aware that you are doing this technique in very gentle manner. Please don't put over pressure on it because it will aggravate your pain. Next technique is a vibration technique. For this technique, just use your wrist pad, not your fingers, and put the pressure on your shoulder, not on your wrist. Just give a gentle vibration on your face that will loosen the secretion on your face. And once you're done with it, just do the effleurage technique for 3 counts. And last technique is tapping technique. It helps to loosen the secretion in forehead. Just tap gently on your forehead. Do this technique for 10 to 15 counts and do the draining technique alone for 3 counts. Let's have a quick recap. Do all treatment techniques for 10 to 20 counts as your wish, but do the draining technique alone, effleurage technique alone for 3 counts, because the fluids you are draining will get into your throat and make your throat sore. So please make a note on it, and doing this technique by using nice vaporizer will give a better result. Please do share this video to your friends and family members. Let's they too get benefit out of it, and do subscribe our channel without forget for more healthy videos. Thank you.